Good morning everyone and welcome to this express webinar of Robotunits. I'm Luis Martinez, your robot unit product specialist at Rotalec, and I will be your host for this express webinar. Our guest today is Tom Langowski, Regional Sales Manager with Robotunits for the past 5 years. Tom works with companies in the Mid-Atlantic and Southeast region in America, as well as provide hands-on training for distributor sales engineers as they go in the market. I will now hand over to Tom, who will make a quick introduction of Robotunits company.
Thank you for the introduction. The company you see today, Robotunits, started out as Herren specialty machine building in Austria in the mid-1980s, building automatic manufacturing and assembly lines. In the beginning, we built all of our frames from steel, and later, we were one of the first companies to adopt a new technology called aluminum extrusion for building our machine bases and frames. But we quickly realized that T-slotted aluminum profile had a number of shortcomings, namely the high number of individual components needed to build, the need to drill, counterbore through the material to make connections, and the fact that machine joints were not vibration safe as those machines ran cycle after cycle in their respective manufacturing plants. Its modular automation system took the idea of building industrial machines with T-slotted aluminum profile and solved the shortcomings we were experiencing in our own business. The Robotunits profiles have standard width T-slots, which allow fasteners and accessories to work in both our 40 series and our 50 series profiles. Our 50 series profiles are a double wall aluminum extrusion designed to emulate the torsional rigidity of a 2-inch tubular steel weldment, coupled with our worldwide industry unique vibration safe fasteners, which means we're replacing the need for steel weldments. We're building and deploying robust machine bases and robot pedestals in just a few days. We incorporated lean principles in designing our system so we're able to do more with less, meaning each part works across extrusion families, is multifunctional, or can be used in combination with product lines. Using the aluminum profile as the backbone, additional product lines were added to the modular automation system, custom linear motion systems, safety fencing and guarding, and a full complement of conveyors, from basic flat belt conveyors, timing belt systems, modular chain conveyors, to our new motor roller driven conveyor ecosystem. Robotunits makes it easy for end users to machine and robot integrators to configure, build, and deploy projects out into the field. The flexibility of using T-slotted aluminum with our drop-in nuts and hardware means ease of use for the integrator and end user. In the mid-1990s, Robotunits was growing as a company, and it was determined to cease the specialty machine building and focus on the modular automation system. Now, Herren Holdings Group has 4 sister companies: Robotunits, CNC Technique, Service Intralogistics, and Safety Contact Tracing. While we're still headquartered in Austria, our global footprint extends with offices in Italy, Australia, and the United States. Our guiding principles of providing outstanding quality, uncompromising customer service, and the fastest lead times means our customers are able to take full benefit of the modular automation system. We thank Rotalec for organizing this express webinar and look forward to helping solve your manufacturing challenges.
Thank you, Tom, for the introduction. Now, as an example, we have 2 extrusions. At the left, we have the 50 series, and at the right, we have the 40 series. And in this case, we can connect the 40 series with the 50 series by using the fastener FAS 4040, and as we can see, we can easily install the fastener only by using an MA screw. This fastener FAS 4040 is a 2-sided fastener that provides equal strength on both sides of the connection. This connection provides a strength comparable to a welded structure and a maximum stability for any application. Next, you can easily insert the drop-in nuts only by using your fingers, or you can also use the drop-in nut inserter. Thanks to the leaf spring return of the drop-in nut, it will not move no matter if you are working in a horizontal, vertical, or inclined position. This has a huge impact in saving time to assemble any kinds of structure. Also, the drop-in nuts align easily with the fastener holes, and you can simply put inside the screws and then tie up the structure. All 12 profiles are available and share the T-slot shape of 14 mm. This T-slot is 14 mm wide by 14 mm deep, which means that all the accessories from Robotunits can be used in both 40 and 50 series. All connections can be made without drilling or milling, which is a very important cost-saving factor, not only by saving time, but also providing an unlimited reusability of the extrusions. In case that holes are required to be made, you can find an integrated location groove that guarantees a precise straight drilling. So you can easily see, you can see how easily you can move the extrusion and tighten it up, and the 14 millimeters wide T-slot give us more space to make our movement and tighten up the structure easily. Here we have an example of a structure that can be built using Robotunits patented fastening technology. With the Robotunits fastening technology, it's possible to achieve a high tensile strength up to 4 tons per fastener with our 50 series. This connection is comparable to a welded steel structure made of 2 inches tubular steel. This makes any Robotunits structure vibration safe, preventing hardware to become loose, even when it's used in a very demanding application like a pick-and-place robot. By using the 50 series profile along with the fastening technology, you can create a cost-effective solution that can be built in days instead of weeks compared to a steel frame. Also, thanks to the mix and match nature of Robotunits, it's possible to integrate any conveyor, any linear system, a proximity switch, a light curtain, or any device by using the T-slot system. In this example, we're going to connect two 50 series together by using the 50 series fastening technology. The 50 series offers a double wall honeycomb. The structure is a double wall honeycomb, and it's exceptionally rigid. Rigidity of the frame makes any application possible, such as heavy-duty machine frames, workstations, base support for the conveyors, linear system, enclosures, and as we saw before, also the robot's frame. All this can be made in a few days, which means that your product can be out to the market sooner than the competition. So as we can see, the FAS 5050 is installed, and this fastener is easily aligns with the double wall honeycomb structure. Also, we put 2 inserts in the fastener, which helps to prevent the vibration in the structure. And all this is secured by an M10 bolt, which goes in the extrusion core hole. The concave surface of the extrusions will become straight the moment we tighten up both parts together. This provides a stable and vibration safe structure. In case you need to change the position of any profile, you just need to loosen the bolts and place the profile at the desired position. You don't need to worry about the dropping nuts by moving or falling down, because thanks to the lift, the lift integrated in the dropping nuts, they keep the position required. From Robotunits, we can provide the kits for any application. We can provide the assembles if required, or we can provide you with the parts, or let's say for the profiles, we can provide you with the 6-meter bars already, or if requested, we can cut it for you, and also they will be pre-tapped, the core holes. Like that, the kits will be ready to assemble it there right out of the box the moment you receive it. Again, this is very easy to install and very easy to change position if requested. If you just need to find the right position of the structure. So this is very important when we talk about the inventory wise. Your inventory will be really small with all these parts, because they are universal. You can use it if you are building machines with the 40 profile. You can use the T-nuts, you can use screws, you can use many parts with both series. Conveyor technology is also offered by Robotunits. From the modular automation system provided by Robotunits, we can find many benefits such as short delivery times, custom-made sizes, drive flexibility, speed flexibility, and wide variety of belt options. Standard frames start from 40 millimeters and they can go up to 1200 millimeters, and the length are available up to 12 meters. Custom width can be done upon request if needed. Standard speed range are available, but also high speeds are available if requested. We can review this with the engineering team and we can provide a solution for you. Talking about belts, These make robot units conveyors can adapt to almost any applications. Some of the belt's properties offered by robot units are adhesive, accumulation, cut resistant, food safe, electrically conductive, UV resistant, chemical resistant, and more. Also, robot units can provide roller conveyors that can be an effective solution for an accumulation line where we need to create different zones, automated control it. So thank you very much for being with us today, and we're going to pass to the Q&A section.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Louis. Louis, I think you're still muted.
Sorry, do you hear me?
Yeah, now we can hear you.
Perfect.
So,
okay, perfect.
Louis, there was a question up on the board regarding pricing, whether we're competitive with competitors. And what I wanted to mention is yeah, we certainly are. Aluminum, it doesn't matter which manufacturer, whether it's robot units or any of the legacy systems, although it's sold by the millimeter or by the inch, the price is all weight based. So really, all of the manufacturers are plus or minus, let's say, 3 to 5%. The real cost savings comes from eliminating any of the machining operations, either the core holes, the through holes, counter bores, and the reduction in hardware. Because our fasteners require less plates, less hardware, we see the cost savings in reducing the hardware, eliminating machining.
So we have another question: is if we already have an extrusion system into place, is it possible to add robot units to it? Can it be combined? Yes, of course we can combine it together. It's okay if you have already another kind of extrusions, so we can combine the robot units with what you have. So oh, I see there's 2 more questions. So concerning Rotalec, we have in stock many parts here in the warehouse in Montreal. So in any case you need, let's say, something faster in 1 day, 2 days, we can provide that as very fast. We have a good delivery times. And in case we are missing parts here in Rotalec, Robot Units is in New Jersey, so it will take a few days to get parts from them and bring it to you. So the talking about the delivery times is really short. And also we can offer as a cutting if needed. If, let's say, as we mentioned in the webinar, we can provide the assembly already mounted, or we can provide you with the drawings and the cuts. Let's say we can provide you with the profile cuts already and pre-tapped, and you will receive already this, ready to assemble at your facility. Or also what you can do is we can provide you the full length extrusion, which is 6 meters, and this you can do it by yourself. You can tap it at your place, or you can cut it too. But we offer that service if needed. So I think we're gonna wait. Maybe.
Yeah, let's give it another second or two for.
Yeah, exactly. See if we have another question.
Yeah. And Louis, how long has Rotalec been on board with robot units?
We have already more than a year. I'll say more. Well, yeah, more than a year. We've been on board with robot units. So
right.
we are very glad to be part of the family, and we're here to build this confidence with the clients and Rotalec and robot units.
Yeah, for sure, absolutely. I think it's a great partnership that we have going on now.
So just to mention that in the future we are going to talk more about the conveyors more deeply, and also the linear systems. This is express webinar, so for the next time we're going to put more time talking about the conveyors and the linear system that we can provide from Robotunits.
Mm-hmm.
I see that we have more questions coming.
Looks like there was 2 new questions.
Yep.
Regarding the question, I just saw it on the screen a second ago regarding is 50/50 vibration proof. What I just wanted to note here is that our 50/50, or rather our 50 series in general, is called vibration safe. Vibration proof, if you have a structure that's running, the structure will vibrate. The difference is with the vibration safe fastener, the fastener won't loosen. So as long as we understand each other in terms of the difference between vibration proof and vibration safe, the difference in the 50 series again is a double wall design, making it more rigid, and the connections, the fasteners, are vibration safe for use in robot pedestals or machine bases. So yes, vibration safe in the 50 series.
Yep. So we have another question: is can Rotalec assist with designing builds? Yes, we can. We have a designer in Ontario, and myself, I'm a designer here in Montreal. So we have 2 designers that can help you with any application, with any project you have. We work that together. We're gonna share the drawings with you. We're gonna make the drawings approved by you, and then we can continue with the assembly or providing the kits. You decide how you want to proceed with your project. So yes, we can help you with that. I don't know, do we have 2 more? That's okay. No, that's it. So I think we're gonna finish for this express webinar. Thank you very much to being with us, and be tuned for the next express webinars. So we have one coming soon. So thank you so much for being with us, and have an excellent day. Thank you, Tom, for your help.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much for having us, and we're looking forward to helping you solve any of your manufacturing challenges.
Excellent. Thank you.
All right. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.